Yeah, so today we decided to visit Umbrella Rock, the three-headed palm tree, the twin waterfalls, also known as the Boti Falls. And all this can be located at the eastern part of Ghana, Bodi Street. Yeah, but before we started our trip from Badukrum, Okuapem, Okredi Street. And on our way, I made a small scenery videos. So let's enjoy the videos. Yeah, so I mentioned earlier that we started our journey at Adukrom Okuapem in Okredi Street. Yeah, so let me give you people a brief history about Okre. Okre is part of Guans, and it's believed these people are the first ethnic group to settle in Ghana. Guan is a very big group, ethnic group, yeah, and they can be found most of the region in Ghana. And these are some of the region the Guans people can be found. Eastern region, they can be found in Anum, Latte, Okre, and it's money. Like these are some of the places they can be found in Eastern region. And when you go to the Oti region, they can be found in Akoide, Santro Kofi, Akwafu, and more. They can also be found in Volta region, which includes Tafi, Nyangobo. I can't pronounce the words well, yeah. And when you go to the Central region, they can be found in Efutu, Awotu Senya, and more. Like they are money. So you can kindly go to Wikipedia or Google to search more or to read more history about the Guans. Yeah. So please, let's enjoy our journey and remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thank you. So from Adukrom, we alighted at Nkrakain, and Nkrakain is part of the Ilokrobo land. And also, Nkrakain is one of the biggest marketplace in this area. Yeah. And even if you have watched a movie called Beast of No Nation, this is the place they use as the market scene in the movie. I wanted to get you people picture or video as reference, but I couldn't get. So you can check this movie out on Netflix or like anywhere you can get the video. Yeah, the movie, sorry. So from here, we have to take her to the Boti Falls. Yeah, so we find this Okada rider and we told him we are going to the Boti Falls. And like how much will be the transportation? And he said 80 cities. Bro, so meaning 40 cities for each person. And we told him, Charlie, we'll not get that kind of money. Our money is 20 cities for each. So meaning we're gonna give him 40 Ghana. He said, nah, he won't take that money. We try to plead, we try to bargain, but still, boss say Nova go take the money. Charlie, we beg, Sam. He no agree. We say, no problem. So move on, and we asked this taxi man if he's going to the Boti Falls, and he said yeah, he's going there, and the car is almost full, so if we are ready we can join them. And we asked of the price of the transportation. He said 12 Ghana cedis for each person. Charlie, 12 cedis, so meaning each, like both together are gonna be 24 cedis. But then the guy wanted to take us 80 Ghana. Hey, Ghana hard, oh bro. You know yeah, Charlie. You know we all the hustle. They understand. So yeah. So let's move. So we boarded the car and we started our journey. So let's enjoy the video. And I have some small videos and some small brief talk. So let's enjoy. Nah, like, I know they understand. So, Lomi, what he and the woman they talk? That old woman, like, what he and they talk? Eh? If you serious, oh, Charlie? Hey! If you love him, they tell him, nah, bro, this be serious. Yeah, so as you can see, we've gotten to our destination. Welcome to Boti Falls Ecotourism Center. So let's go inside and explore more. Yeah, so that's our tour guide. And we're heading to the Umbrella Rock, the three-headed palm tree, and the Boti waterfalls. And he said it's gonna take us 1 hour 30 minutes to get there. Charlie, it'll be easy. We can't walk. More go. Yeah, so on our way going to the Umbrella Rock, we came across the tree on the rock, the giant footsteps, the prayer rock stone, and the African map. Yeah, I talked last month.
Okay. All right, so my name is Joe, and I'm your tour guide for today.
Sure.
So anything that I'm going to show you was discovered by a hunter called Nene Tetemwa. So Nene Tete, in the olden days, he was a hunter.
Is he a Krobo? Or?
Yeah, Krobo. Oh. Like Gan Krobo. So I call hunting as a home bibia. Now I go back to him. You know what? I discovered the chrono, and then a boy, male and female sex organ rock. It's a reproductive part of male and female. You can see it looks like penis, and this look like vagina. Yeah. Wow. So a natural it was placed here. Yes. And then a forest name and I'm be see and the first one you be do next one and so be home and so different. Yeah. Okay, we a map of Africa. We share how I shape it now. It looks like map of Africa. Yeah, and Madagascar the air need see ho. Yeah, no the air need this. But map need the no so see and it ni almost say obe hu no ma bi beka say bi anipa na carve.
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, but natural. Yeah, natural sir. Enye obi an carve. Yeah, it's an et see omo hu ye. We so here na esi. I declare somebody sex organ the cosi honum say and no hu baby hu no na emuwa. Enti yentimi nko because of enu nkwan enti omo time de be see her.
All right.
Yeah, but we need the natural sanity. Sure. Yeah.
All right.
ahanum yɛ tree on a rock. Utimi hu sɛ edua bi na si boɔ no so no. Yeah, tree on a rock. And boɔ no ɛyɛ sedimentary rock nti ohun how ahyehyɛ baako. Yes. And then in the olden days no sɛnɛ tete ɔkɔ hunt na otwem wɔ ha. Na nsuo na ɛfa aseɛ no yɛ friend river Asiafo. River Asiafo means usia na wafro. Nti river Asiafo. Nti osa river ne kakra na den tam na eduane so a nti ana ode a water edua no osa kakra otwem bia na ɔyɛ bɔmɔfo. Nti otwem bia na water edua no ɛna eduane benya honde na ebegyina ɛboɔ no so se. Yeah, ba ɛboɔ no inside no like can say nsuo ɛna ɛsoro ni nyinaa so yɛ anwea. ɛna sedimentary rock no it's a type of rock that are formed by the position of minerals or organic particles at earth's surface. Nti ti say be a example bi ti say nsuo tɔ a na sɛ edi efin kɔ baabi na sɛ efin ko choke wɔ baabi a next time sɛ foforɔ sa akɔka ho a obɛhu sɛ aseɛ deɛ yɛ den ɛsoro deɛ mmerɛba enhyɛra nyemre sa obɛhu sɛ na ɛfɔme na ɛfɔme boɔ na ɛyɛ na ɛfɔme baako nti ɛfɔme firi no ama ɛsoro ni na yɛ anwea. Nti we answer na ɛbɛfɔme layer baako no take 100 years.
Wow.
Taking how many who said take 100 years and son for me
one layer.
One layer. Yes, that's right. I had him say no a sound cave and I say ancient cave. I the sound cave ni ancient cave ni say in the olden days no now people used to live here. Now uncomfortable hanum. We say cave na se no moda. Omuye omuduane omusimu na ma omuye bibia nti river no river Asiafo no omusa eno ani nsu a omu use di omunama na obehu se yeba no omabubu mba bi okwan nim ne ahanum se sa mba no omubu a ni bre no na omu de aye mat na omadeda so wa hanum omu deda so wo ade na se eno ne omumpa omudeda so. Nti no ohwe host na ehihye bone hu na muna titino they used to hide their special things like money and then gold. Okay. Ewo host na odida bone hu emu no msi omu ma si omu adepa ba ho ba ku bi on ho de sa ho no omu de ma communication like omu hate ya e sound ku achiri to say umbrella rock we pie ko forest nim like obete senkofo wa ha so on nti sa ho no e wa hanum se sa ho no enu ni eye baako we ya nti omo hate ya sound ko achiri pa obi we chiri obete senkofo wa ha nti enu so mugbo ma e che se omo from say omo nyede omo mbra back ena ahanom na omubeyi akacha ni apacha minim sa heda e Ghanaian movie bi Sikai Moja Beast of No Nation I come be shoot you aha.
Okay.
Yeah nti those who have been here before no omo nim omo aba omo hu how it yeah omo how it is. See we are heading to the Umbrella Rock.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay, see, I know you bedu Umbrella Rock, and it's one of the sites of Boti Falls in Yilo Krobo district. I hire Yilo Krobo, Krobo from Kwana. Yeah, and you know, oh, share how I shape it now. It looks like mushroom. Shape it look like mushroom. And about 15 to 20 people bet me at Nasi. Since so to Anase, we are boy and come.
So is it a hunter who discovered it or?
Yes, please. Same hunter. And then, okay, say that me can't do that. We don't know how it came about.
Okay.
But I might who say wind erosion. And wind erosion is a natural process that moves soil from one location to another by wind power. And say we say no. Me dey imagine to say case desert so in Kebu.
Yeah, sure.
Because the morning from up on the number twin is sabe say not often. By hand shall any desert. And then do any trying to shanty from up cramp na into me and can be brave.
Sure.
Yeah, to me can.
All right.
Alright, so now we are the edifice of the tour. I mean the destination of the tour. And this tree is a three-headed palm tree. A palm tree with three heads. So this tree it doesn't bear fruit at the same time. So it takes turns in bearing fruit each year. One will bear fruit this year and then following different will bear fruit. So each year one bears fruit.
Okay.
And it's 123 years. Yeah, the botanists came here to observe it, and the Omukachan said the 123 years. Nti we share a boy me nubi si from Hanoma, a fertility rock. Fertility rock near a boy a benny by nisi hono. Nti village no mujide ni se sikebi kita obi ana se upeba ana se dia upeno na wakase guskane so uwi ana odi atobo no so atena so asori. Mujide no. Ena abeno so no na ba no eno ufa na oduan so a emba. Yeah, ufa na oduan so a emba. Nti no said it no imagination means it represents God the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. In the olden days, they were trying to use this for smaller gods to worship. Nti abra mo try so much abo mo je gubo no so no. Na abeno de ehye mfimfin no. Made the one who shares say ewu. Anti ne wa na omo ho ade konti yesa. Nti na o say omojai na omo hwe se betimi fifi baka. Nti omojai san no one and esa back. And they are representing for God the Father, the Son, the Holy Spirit. Okay. Yeah. And the person me catch a tea funny say onam YouTube baby onam na hu hero waker. Yeah. Make sure so best subscribe. No, I like it. Now I share so my together as one.
Sure.
And I'm watching for new updates.
Sure.
However.
Yeah. Let me choose. So we are now going to our final place, that is the Boti Falls, also known as the Twin Waterfalls.
All right, so river way river be a look any friend river Pom Pom, and then river Pom Pom travels from 25 miles away from a place called Ahinkwa. So from Ahinkwa it passes through 45 hamlet villages and sana abegu Boti ahanum say, and from Hansono it goes down to form another four, which is called Aka waterfalls. Now called water lake. Ewo Asamoah. A twins waterfall. Your male and female. Bema and Oba. And when the volume of water is high, especially during rainy season, Bema and Beba bedu in and then when the sun reflected on it, a rainbow formed from one side to another. The local call it mating ceremony. Yes, and during rainy seasons, no, in soon to me frosters, a quick share frosters by 3 and answer 4. And you know, history has said that the force was hiding in the forest until it was discovered by a hunter caught in the year 1908. And you know, in the year 1950, no, Papa be free Germany Baha or by you know. And now, no almost see Roman Catholic school be or a chrome ha into your dinner tete bahanum. And now, Nene Obusan and tete say, where is the water coming from? Nene tete brofo, Bronini Tichi. And now, Nene tete catch the original in chance. Catch a Bronini say minimum. The minimum say in Sony free a buonity. Intina or try saw boy in Boti, and he couldn't pronounce it well, and he said Boti Falls. And when they didn't Boti, but a chromo ankasa din and the ankasa amalempo. Amalempo means eating hurriedly. We didn't intend them. Ahanti in sono a free a buonity, and a bronin into me a body ye, and I yedin Boti Falls. Yes, and now from Hanswa it goes down to form another fall, which is Aka Falls. Now called Water Lake or Asamoah. And you know the height of the fall is 30.3 meters, and then during rainy season when sunny gravity bets me generate electricity power. During rainy season a baby brave, and I do dry season January February, so I don't say a quetching in like a quetching cry away sense to ember. Auntie, I just say in Soto and Sana Baby Bray. Yeah, in Soto and Sana Baby Bray. We Hero Week. Oh, now I subscribe, no, I like, no, I share. Na afufron so no edi ho adanse a kira afufro se de be ya ebetimi aye amana ye me da wase.